Joe Wayne, that's sold a good amount.
That's already 2 sales, man. That's already what, 200 and something?
How much was the last sale?
Actually, that was like dinner 3. The first one was 100 or something. This one was like 180. So.
Hey, so the people that want to start a supply store, retail supply store, just like you, man, you're making it happen.
Yes, sir.
What's the biggest struggle that you had to go through to make this happen?
To make this happen?
The suppliers, the finance, the patience, getting the customers.
It's the marketing, man, just with everything. So because of the YouTube, it made it more of it made it easier for people to just come and support. Like he said, I watch your YouTube channel.
That's how he knows you.
Yeah.
He's not even a detailer.
He said since the vending days, he's been watching me. So he's like, I just love that your hustle and your drive. It's inspiring. And he's not even a detailer. He's just somebody who just cleans his car, his wife's car. So that's pretty dope. For real. So yeah, that YouTube, it's a blessing.
Hey, Wayne, so talking about the supply store, let's say somebody out there in another state, another area, they want to start their own supply store.
Right.
What advice would you have for them?
Start a YouTube, for one, to get your name out there. Because when you open a store, it's going to make it that much easier when you announce it on YouTube so people will know in your area. That's for one. Marketing, have an Instagram. Have something right now that you're building up so people know who you are. Because I can imagine if you just open up something and you don't know anybody at all. That's you have to do some serious marketing. Sheesh, that fire.
Hey, and how you get in contact with these companies?
A lot of them already reached out to me for videos. So all I had to do was go back to my email and write, hey, I got a store, or they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to sell their supplies, or they'll just ship stuff out. What's your address? And we want you to try this. You could either buy it and sell it in the store, or we'll pay you to market it for us. And that's pretty much it. So YouTube has definitely been a blessing.
And what companies are you working with right now?
Ultra Clean out of LA, Clean Tech out of LA, PNS, I believe is Bay Area, and Mac Shine right now. And Sonak's in the work, Coach Kimmy in the work, still figuring that out. And much more to come. Turtle Wax, McGuire's, the one that everybody talked bad about. Who is that, Reyes? The company that everybody talks bad about.
Oh, Chemical Guy.
There it is. Look, I ain't even look. I was waiting for you to say it. Chemical Guys. I'm gonna get them in here too. Why not?
All right. Know? Hey, so you got chemicals, you got water, you have a shop. What's the next thing that you want to include into your business?
I would say training. Focus a lot more on training. I'm already doing that, ride-alongs. So just maybe get a couple hoods in the garage from the junkyard and get some guys out here and burn some paint. Yeah, so that's the next thing, training class.
Got it, man. And for the people that want to show love, where can they come buy some supplies?
Hey, you guys want to come and support what I got going on? 3306 Orange Grove Avenue, North Highlands, California. Come through, ride along, come through, buy some supplies, come through, buy some water, come through and come and chat. Hey, I'll catch y'all. Let's go.